Students, now we are going to discuss about the another example, finding the missing frequencies. This we already studied how to find the missing frequencies using mean. Now we are going to solve using median. In the last class we already discussed how to find the median, what is its formula, how to find the mode, and all. Now we are going to solve the finding missing frequencies in median. So let me take the example. If median of the data is 32.5, so median is given to us, and find the values of x and y. So x and y, two values are missing here, and one more thing is given, total number of frequencies is 40. So I have written this horizontal table into vertical form. Now how you find the xi? By adding the corresponding, so here x will remain x, here it will become x plus 5, next row will become x plus 9 plus 5 is 14, then here it will become x plus 14 plus 12 is 26, then you have x plus y plus 26, the next column is x plus y plus 26 plus 3 is 29. I am writing here by understanding that you already understood the previous example. If any doubt, you can ask anytime. So 29 plus 2 is 31. So this is all the sum of the frequencies which I got it. Okay. So even if you add all these numbers, that also will give you x plus y plus 31. Okay. Now what is given here? We got it as x plus y plus 31 must be equals to, what is the given sum of the frequencies here? It is 40. So x plus y plus 31 equals to 40, you'll get it. And if you simplify, then I'll get it as x plus y equals to 40 minus 31, which is 9. Or maybe if you want one further step, x equals to 9 minus y. Okay, so this I call it as equation 1. Okay, we can call it as equation number 1. Now let me come to the formula. How you decide this? What is the L value? L value is first you have to find n by 2 n value. N value is already, it is given in the question 40. So n by 2 value is 20. So what is the nearest and greatest number of 20? So you can say here nearest and greatest number of 20 is x plus 26. How do you know it is greater than? Because this is 26 and you are adding x to it. That means it has to be already 26 itself greater than 20. And you are adding x also, a positive number. So obviously it has to be greater than 20, n by 2 value. So that's why I highlighted it. So here I'll take this as CF, and this value will become F for us. So L value is lower limit of that highlighted column, which is 30. So let me write the values here. L is 30, N is 40, cumulative frequency is x plus 14, cumulative frequency of the preceding interval, right? F frequency of that highlighted interval, and height class size is 10. How the class size is 10? 40 minus 30 is 10. And in the question, median is given to us as 32.5. Here it is given median in the question. So I'll take this as 32.5 equals to L value, I got it as 30, and n by 2 value is x plus 14 minus, oh sorry, wrong mistake, n by 2 value is 20 minus, let me put the bracket here because CF has two terms, which is x plus 14. So if I don't put the bracket, that this minus sign is only applicable to x, but it has to be applicable to both x and 14. And the frequency we got it as 20, and h is 10. Now see what do you get. What I do is I'll bring this 30 to the left side. So here you will get it as 32.5 minus 30, because that side it is a positive 30, so it will come as 30. So you can remove this negative sign. Positive sign is not required. Let me go here, insert equation, fraction. Yeah. Now here, if you observe the numerator, this is 20 minus of x plus 14. So it has to come as 20 minus x minus 14 if I open the bracket. So 20 minus 14 is 6 minus x. 6 minus x will come. Here it will come as 12, and it will be multiplied with, let me put multiply with 10. Okay. So next step, what you get is 32.5 minus 30 will be 2.5 will be equals to, should I put here the same, everything copy, Control C, it will come. Now if I bring this denominator 12 to the right side, it will come as 2.5 into 12, 24 plus 6, so it will come 30 is equals to, please understand, okay, 6 minus x, it has to be in the bracket, 6 minus x, then only you can understand, into 10. Understood how I got this 30? I got this 30 by multiplying this 12, denominator 12, with 2.5. So 2 12s are 24, 0.5 into 12 is 6, so 24 plus 6 is 30. You can do your own way of calculations here. Now what you do is bring this 30 to the left hand side. So it will come 30 by 10, so which will be 3 equals, sorry, here. Yeah. 3 equals to, because 30 by 10 is 3, equals to 6 minus x. So if I simplify this equation, you will end up as, you can bring x this side, so you will get negative x as positive, x equals to, and 3 will go that side, 6 minus 3 is 3. So x value is 3. If x value is 3, so from here, I am substituting x value is 3. So 3 equals to 9 minus y. So if you want y value, then you bring y on the left side, y equals to 9 minus 3. So hence y equals to 9 minus 3 is 6. We got the missing frequencies. That's just simple equations to solve. The formula remains same. So instead of median in the previous question, you got the median. So here I used to write median equals to everywhere. But this time median value is given 32.5 in the question. So that median is replaced with 32.5. We got L value is 30 and cumulative frequency as x plus 14 and h as 10. Frequency of that interval is 12. And then we have to simplify accordingly. This is a simple linear equation, how to simplify it. Okay. Now if you see the below of the question, also find the mean and mode of the above data. So for your reference, answers are given. Mean is 32.5, mode is 33.333. So for the same question, you find the mean and mode. You already learned how to find them. Now x and y values, you already got it. X is 3, y is 6. So you can replace here x value as 3 and y value as 6. Then you find the mean and median mode. Okay. So this is the example which explains how to find the missing frequencies of a given question if median and sum of the total frequencies are given. Okay. So it's the same process as median, just a little bit changes will be there. Hope you understand. Now what you have to do is start the exercise questions and complete. If any doubt, let me know. Thank you.